Hello and welcome to Talgy Tutorials, where you will learn everything Talgy. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create and publish job or requirements on Talgy. Let's get started. First, log into your account. Once logged in, you will see the menu on the left for hot candidates, hot jobs, and my account drop-down menu. There are two ways to create and publish jobs on Talgy. Today, I will show you both options. So once logged in, this is the screen you will see. Click on Hot Jobs tab and click on Submit Jobs. You will be directed to My Jobs page, where you'll see all the jobs you have created so far. Go to your top tide and click on Create. Pop-up window will open up and you fill out the form. Title of the job, type of the job, detailed description of the job, location, visa requirements, partnership type. Turn on the hot for hot jobs to be included in daily email to all vendors. Turn on remote if remote working is allowed. Turn on auto renew if you prefer, and the system will automatically renew this job every week so it never expires. By default, the job will be published for 30 days. You will need to either enable auto renew or come back to Talgy and renew jobs before they expire. Once all the fields are completed, click on Publish and the job will be published and visible on Talgy Hot Jobs Marketplace. With option 2, we take a little shortcut. Again, once logged in, you click on My Account tab on the left to open the drop-down menu, then select My Jobs. Click on Create tab on the top right and repeat the same steps again. Let's verify. Click on Hot Jobs and search the job you just created. As you can see, it's published and available at the marketplace. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like and be sure to subscribe to our channel to be notified when new videos are published.